Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pably. So today I am going to tell you how you can collect anonymous employee feedback via forms. Now suppose you are the boss of a company or you are an HR in a company and now you have certain managers under you and they are managing their team. Now if you want to know from the team that how well they are doing their job, I mean the managers are doing their job, what you can do is you can make a form for the team. The team will anonymously fill out these forms and the details of these forms will be sent to the Grist account where it will be stored as a database, and then you can later on check that database and take required actions on your managers. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service Pably Connect, which will help us connect JotForm and Grist together. Now if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are back to our screen. So what do we have to do? We have to go to the address bar and type in pably.com/connect. And as soon as we will press enter, we will be redirected to this page here. Here you have two options. Either you can sign in or you can sign up. Signing in is easy. If you already have an account, you have to just go for sign in. If you do not have an account here, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free. And we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our site so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching. Now I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in. And here I'll just go for login. And now you can see here, this is my window. Here I have these softwares with me, and now I'm just going to click on Pably Connect Access now. And now what I'm going to do, I am going to just click on create workflow, and I will create a new workflow and give it a new name. So I am just going to give it the name JotForm to Grist connection. Okay, now I am just connecting JotForm to Grist. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Now here you can see I have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process, and action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Now what is trigger here? We are having a JotForm submission, so I'll just go for JotForm, and here I am going to select new response. Now you can see you have a webhook URL. Now what is this webhook URL? So webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect JotForm to Pably Connect account, and how it is going to help us, you can see. You can just follow this instruction here and it will tell you how to connect the webhook URL, or I should say how to connect the Pably Connect account to your JotForm through webhook URL. So I'm just going to copy this and follow these instructions. I'll go back to JotForm and I'm going to use this form here, employee feedback form. So I'll just go to integrations, all integrations. Here I'll search for webhooks. You can see this is the webhooks. Here I will click on add to form, and now I have to add it to employee feedback form. So I'm just going to select a form which is employee feedback form, select form. And if I would have any other integrations already connected to this form, I'll remove them just as I am doing it right now. Then I'll again go to webhooks and I will paste the webhook URL which I copied from my Pably Connect account, and I will click on complete integration. So you can see our Pably Connect account is now connected to our JotForm. Now here I am just going to publish my JotForm here. And now you can see this is the employee feedback form. Now whatever I will put in here, it will be taken as a response in my Pably Connect account. So let us just try this. Department is software development. How would you rate the leadership of your current manager? 5. Does your manager able to delegate responsibilities or tasks properly? 4. Does your manager motivates you in performing effectively in your job? 5. Does your manager take ownership and accountability? 4. Okay. So I'm just giving some random numbers, 5, 4, 5, 4, and I'm just going to click on submit. Now, as soon as I will click on submit, you will see here in Pably Connect, I will have a response, and you can see this is my response. Employee feedback form is the name. 5454. Okay, and now this is the feedback ID 5. Now this ID is hidden in the form. This feedback ID is the number of forms we have already filled. I have filled about 4 forms previously while I was testing this automation, and now you can see this is the 5th form I filled in front of you. So our first step of connecting our Pably Connect account to our JotForm is now complete. So we will just move to our second step, and here our second step is to connect our Grist account to our Pably Connect account. So we are just going to click on create record, connect it, click on add new connection. And here it is again asking you for the token. So you can see here, log into your Grist account, navigate to profile setting from the account menu on the top right and create or access your API key. So let's just go to Grist account, go to profile settings through account. And here when you will scroll down, you can see this is the API key. Just copy this, paste it here and click on save. Now you can see your Grist account will be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Team is personal. We will not change it. Workspace is home. So you can see here, this is my workspace home. This is my workspace examples and templates. And I am choosing home. And in home, I am going to choose the document Pabbly Connect because the name of my company is Pabbly Connect. So I'll just choose home. And here I am going to choose Pabbly Connect. And as soon as I will choose Pabbly Connect, you can see it has automatically taken table employee underscore feedback. So this is the table employers feedback. Sorry, this should be employees feedback. Employees feedback. Let's just go back and refresh it. And here I have, I think, 2 Pabbly Connect accounts. So this one is mine because it should show employees feedback. Okay, so this is the one which is mine, employees feedback. Now what we are going to do, you can see we have all the information here, department year, how would you rate the leadership of your current manager. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here and it will let me put the data here in this window. So let's just do that. Department is software development, year. Okay, I do not have any year here, but I have this column here in my Grist account. So I'll just delete this column and I'll just refresh it once again. So I'll just go and connect it once again, save, and you can see my year column will vanish. So you can see I do not have now my year column. Does your manager take ownership and accountability? Yes, 5. How would you rate the leadership of your current manager? That was 4. Responsibilities or tasks properly? 5, 4, 5. Does your manager motivates you in performing? 4. And feedback ID was 5, as I already told you and I explained you what it was. Now, as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you will see a new ID has been generated here. And here in Grist, we have a new entry. You can see feedback ID is 5, department is software development. And these are all the fields. How would you rate the leadership of your current manager? Does your manager able to delegate? Does your manager motivates you in performing? And does your manager take ownership and accountancy? So you can see we have successfully created our automation. Now let us try it one more time with another department. So let's just go for accounts this time. Rate the leadership of manager 3. Responsibilities 3, 4 and 3. Okay, again I'm choosing some random numbers and I'm just going to go back to Pabbly Connect Grist. And here you can see feedback ID is 6, department is accounts. How would you rate this? 3. Does your manager 4? Does your manager 3? Does your manager 3? So friends, this is how you can connect your Jot form to your Grist account so that whenever a new response will come into your Jot form by an employee, the feedback will then be sent to the Grist account and you will be able to, see that database in Grist and can work on that database or can, can train your managers to be more good, to be more efficient, to be more rich working, and I don't know what is the proper word, but you can do that by the Grist database. Now, if you loved this workflow, you can just go to the description box and clone this workflow into your account. And to do that, you need to have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks from our side. So go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.